What's up, y'all? This is Dominoes 7 here. Alright, I want to let y'all know, I just found out about Kobe Bryant, okay? I mean, this is very, very, very unexpected. Very unexpected. I knew some of you people out there are really saddened and upset about it, you know. Four other people was also killed in what was that, a helicopter or an airplane, you know? Well, I must say though, we all enjoyed Kobe Bryant that played in the Lakers and stuff like that, you know. I also enjoyed playing with him. Playing his video games, you know. I also got his games NBA courtside featuring Kobe Bryant. You see. I also got this one too. Okay. NBA Courtside 2002, NBA Courtside 1, NBA Courtside 2, NBA Courtside 2002. This should have been NBA Courtside 3, you know. And to keep it real with y'all, so some of y'all probably already know I have this. You know, to be honest with y'all, I did not know this game exists at all, you know. I mean, when I saw this, I had to get it, okay. So, may he rest in peace, okay? I mean, that is sad news, you know what I'm saying? That is very sad news, and I'm very sorry that happened though, okay? I mean, I'll be praying for his family though, his wife and his kids and stuff like that, you know? I mean, I kind of wonder what happened though, and you know, we all know what happened to Nancy Parker, you know, and that other news reporter that worked with WDSU that I don't even know about, you know. I ain't know she exists, you know. But anyways, I was saying, y'all, I mean that's sad news, you know. I mean we losing legendary people left and right, you know. But Kobe Bryant was young, you know. But either way around, he's legendary, okay. Been playing with the Lakers for years. I guess since '96, I do believe. I think so, because he did play it against Michael Jordan his first game, you know. But I ain't had a chance to watch that one, okay. So I enjoy seeing him play for the Lakers with Shaquille O'Neal and stuff like that, you know. Okay. So I'm very sad that happened to him though, you know. So, you know, before Katrina, I had this jersey, you know, the Lakers jersey, but I lost that in Hurricane Katrina, you know. So, it was a couple of jerseys after that, with the Wizards jersey and Timberwolves and stuff like that. Thank God I saved this New Orleans Davis jersey, you know. So anyways, I was saying, y'all, I mean, he was an awesome basketball player, a great sponsor too, you know. I mean, some were hating on Kobe Bryant, you know. I don't know why though, you know. Really don't know why, to be honest, you know. Okay, so we all gonna miss him, you know what I'm saying? Best basketball player ever, you know. We all gonna miss him, you know. Yes, indeed. So my condolences to his family and his friends. And anybody that's close to him, my condolences to his teammates and former teammates, you know, okay. May God bless Kobe Bryant, all right? All right, bye.